Kooks, and it is once again Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday. We've got another pizza here from the very first episode of Turtles, Season 1, Episode 1, Turtle Tracks. This pizza is not going to be as bad as the last one we had from this, but I still don't think it's going to be great. It's jelly beans and mushrooms. Jelly beans and mushrooms. So yeah, we're going to be making a jelly bean and a mushroom pizza. Okay, dough balls ready. So we're ready to make this pizza. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's dough. Okay, so our jelly bean pizza. Let's have a little layer of sauce first. Because as always, Turtles pizzas are cheese and tomato pizzas covered in random toppings. Then we'll have a bit of cheese. Then we will quickly just slice up some mushroom. Get that on there. Finally, we sprinkle some jelly beans all over this thing. These are Jelly Bean factory jelly beans. Every single one will be a different flavour. Different colours are a different flavour. Final little bit of cheese on top. And that's ready for the oven. So that is our finished jelly bean and mushroom pizza. And once again, I won't be eating alone this week. We've got some guests again, same guests as last time. These three stooges.
I'm going to roll my sleeves down for this one.
Yeah. Do you know what the one
You've got a long sleeve on this week.
The one thing I'm worried about
the other way around and everything. Depends what flavour jelly bean.
I'm going to say, it's the random flavoured jelly bean.
I'm just going to chop this into 4.
Hey?
No glasses 1 week.
The random flavoured jelly beans, it could be anything.
That's not like the fart ones.
No, the normal flavours.
No, we ain't gone for the Harry Potter style one.
But it could be really random.
So jelly bean and mushroom pizza. Everyone want to grab a slice?
For that one.
Go on, you choose next one. I'm a cow. Nice big chunky bit.
It's alright, mate.
See, when I had the jelly beans before, it does depend on, like, if you get a cinnamon one, it's not great.
I don't like cinnamon, so I hope I don't.
You're in.
Thing is, as you're aware, I really love jelly beans because you did have a big tub in the kitchen that I basically ate the whole lot of them.
I'll get cinnamon first bite. Oh.
I had a lot on that. I don't know what flavour I got.
Well, so far I've not got jelly bean, I've just got a mushroom pizza.
Just a mushroom pizza. So as someone who likes jelly beans, Carl, what do you think to want a mushroom pizza?
I'm eating the whole lot.
It's not bad.
Alright.
I've just got the cinnamon one. It's beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's not terrible, is it?
It's a fruity mushroom pizza.
I think the last one was jelly bean and sausages. It's quite nice. I think it was nicer with the sausages and
Yeah, I
the
bet the sausages
mushroom.
would have been nicer.
Yeah, could eat all that one.
I could, but I'm not gonna.
Who had the pepperoni and ice cream? Yeah, I want some of the jelly beans and mushrooms.
Yeah, give me a slice of anchovies and peanut butter.
Oh, nothing wrong with
Nothing.
that.
It's alright. Eat away.
Yeah, it's alright. I don't.
It's all about to get stuck in your teeth.
It wouldn't be my choice of topping. I love mushrooms on pizza, so.
Jelly
You're
beans
right,
are like
hello.
syrupy, don't they?
Yeah. So that one wasn't too bad then.
Yeah, it was good. No, it was alright, that one.
Yep.
Yeah. Not a lot to say about it then. Like, everyone thought it was nice. We need one that's not nice. Find out if we get one of those soon. So, catch you next time.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce. Peanut butter and clams.
Anchovies and bananas.